sa umagang ito. Sadyang pinagpala at napakapalad, napakaswerte ng bayan ng Castillejos. Yes, the grand entrance of our Miss Grand International first runner-up, Binibining Christine Julian S. Atiaza. So, isang malakas na palakpak. So, bayan ng Castillejos, at this moment, we are witnessing the grand entrance of our Miss Grand International first runner-up, Binibining Christine Julian H. Atiaza. International first runner-up, Binibining Christine Julian H. Atiaza. Sige lang po, iwagay-way pa po natin. Ayan. Na may kasamang sigaw. Yes! Ayan, may nakalagay po dito. Welcome back home. Zambales, Christine Juliano Piazza. We are so proud of you from si Jamie. So, huwag po kayo mag-alala mamaya. Mayroon po tayong chance para po makapag-photos po tayo sa ating Miss Grand International runner-up, Binibining Christine Julian H. Piazza. Ayan, palamahan po natin siya at magbibigay po siya ng mensahe sa atin kung ano po yung mga pinagdaanan niya bago niya nakamit ang pagiging isang Miss Grand International first runner-up. Alam ko po maraming struggle na dumaan kay Miss CJ. At syempre kung ano po yung mga nagpalakas sa loob niya para makamit ito. So ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause to our Miss Grand International, Miss Christine Julian H. Piazza.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga, bayan ng Castillejos. Hello po. Ayan. Kamusta po? Okay lang po? Okay lang? More energy? Okay lang? Ayan. First of all, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ngayong umaga. Alam ko may kanya-kanya din po tayong mga activities, of course. Especially po sa mga officials po natin. Thank you so much for coming here and for celebrating this very special day with me. First of all, thank you so much, of course, Mayor Jeffrey Conghun. Maraming salamat po for making this possible. And of course, the Vice Mayor Christian Esposo also, members of Sangguniang Bayan, and of course, the people of Castillejos. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Sobrang tagal ko din pong inantay na makauwi at makasama ko po kayo. Alam ko nung 7 pa po ako umuwi, although may mga prior schedules din po kami, pero laging nasa schedule na yung homecoming po natin sa bayan ko. And always looking forward na makita ko po kayo. And now, finally, it is happening. And kitang-kita ko po ang saya at suporta ng lahat. Maraming salamat po. During my competition, kitang-kita ko naman po yung suporta nyo lagi. Yung pag-share pa lang ng photos, pag-repost, pagko-comment. Malaking bagay po yan sa pagtulong at pag-angat ng bansang Pilipinas. And of course, a little background. Yes, nagsimula po ako Binibining Castillejos before as per Sir Marcelo. Way back 2015 pa po yun. So kung meron po akong mga supporters dito from way back 2015, kaway-kaway naman po kayo dyan. Ayan. So, it all started how many years ago, but then again, I was able to join Binibining Castillejos, that pave way also for me to joining Binibining Zambales and bring home back the crown to the municipality of Castillejos. And after po nun, patuloy na nakukuha natin yung corona. And hopefully, patuloy pa rin pong makuha sa mga susunod na taon sa iba pa pong beauty queens. And after that, I was able to take home the crown of Zambales and compete for other national competitions. And then I was able to go back to another national competition, which is Miss Grand Philippines, bringing again my municipality, which is Castillejos, and I'm really, really proud that I was able and given the chance again to represent my home. And nung nagsabi din po ko kay Mayor, hindi po siya nag-atubiling tumulong. And sobrang excited din po, same as with the people of Castillejos, knowing that I will be representing my home again in a big stage. And naiuwi po natin yung corona ng Miss Grand Philippines. So siguraduhin ko rin po makakabalik ako at makikita niyo rin po yung corona ng Miss Grand Philippines. But now I am bringing with me, this is your crown. Everyone who's here, this victory is your victory. Please celebrate it with me. The Miss Grand International crown is your crown too, guys. So I did my very best in that competition because I want to bring pride, of course, to the whole Philippines, to the whole people of Zambales, and most especially the people of Castillejos. Kasi dito nag-start. I was able to represent the Philippines because I was able to bring my home in the Miss Grand Philippines stage. So maraming salamat po. Mayor, maraming salamat for making this possible, for bringing all the people here, the people of Castillejos, the officials as well. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat po. Ang dami kong, I know, lagi din po akong nangungulit during my competition, but then again, every time, they're always ready to extend their hand and help me and support me sa lahat po ng prayers nyo, lahat po ng fans na nandito. Hello po, marami pong salamat. Matagal ko po itong inantay at alam ko matagal nyo rin pong inantay. Kaya maraming salamat po. You know, when you have a dream, how big or how small it is, you just have to continue pursuing it. Kasi everything happens for a reason. As cliche as it sounds, pero everything takes time. So for me, I was able to join 2015 pa, and now it's 2024. How many years have come? It's been how many years? 9 years? And now I was able to take home a crown for the whole Philippines. So all your dreams, it takes time. So you just have to really keep that fire burning in your heart. Whatever that dream is, wag niyo po siyang i-disregard because it will happen one time in your life. If it's fate, if it's destiny, God will put it in your life. God will bring it to you. So that happens to me. And of course, only because I am surrounded with people who wants to help me. Just like my home, the municipality of Castillejos, Zambales, and the people around me. Of course, my core team, maraming salamat who has been with me all throughout my big national competitions, my media team, my glam team, my stylists, designers from all around the Philippines who helped me push through my competition. And of course, the Miss Grand Philippines organization. Alam ko, 3 days lang po yung naging preparation before the international competition. It was really challenging. I would say it was the most challenging part of my whole existence. But then again, we were able to push through because I have you all. And of course, because I have my family with me who's been supporting me since I was a kid, joining competitions, whether it be dance competitions, beauty pageants, or whatever it is, regional school competitions, matalo, manalo, they're always there, and they're always there to support and give me some also advices, of course. And only then you can push through and really succeed in life when you are surrounded with these people who bring your dreams closer to your heart and closer to your life. So I hope you will all continue to surround yourself with people who will only bring you up. Your family, your team, the people who support you, just like your home Castillejos. And of course, thank you so much to my fans as well, si Jamie Blueberry. Maraming salamat sa pagbiyahe. Alam ko, galing pa po sila sa iba't ibang bayan, but they wanted to celebrate this victory with me as well. So maraming salamat. And I know, yung iba po dito, especially yung mga senior citizens po, hello po! Magandang umaga. Maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay ng time, pakikinig, and pag-celebrate po. And yung mga fans po na nandyan sa gilid, yung mga kids, yung ibang students, if there are students here also, thank you so much. Our police officials as well, maraming salamat po. And of course, thank you so much for helping me stand out production. Also, Tito Bry, Sir Mike, and the people behind. Thank you for extending your hand and supporting me all the way as well. People of Olongapo as well. A lot of people all around the Philippines who's continuously praying and supporting me. Maraming salamat po. I know words are not enough to thank you all, but then I will continue saying thank you and extending my gratitude to everyone because I am blessed to have you all. Thank you so much, and I'll take this opportunity to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope that everyone will have a good end of 2024 and enter a blessed, fruitful, and purposeful 2025.